Hello ladies, it's that time again. Yes, so I have created a 5-minute workout for you guys. This is a full body workout. You are going to do 2 sets of these workouts and with 12 repetitions of each. If you feel uneasy, if you feel uncomfortable that your body is hurting in some way, please stop, okay? You need to consult your doctor before starting these exercises. That's rule number 1, right? And then you need to stay hydrated. And I'm using this bottle from Herbalife. I use the supplements from this company as well because they are very good and I love them. If you need more information about that, just shoot me a mail at busymomsgetfit@gmail.com and I'll tell you more about it, okay? Or just shoot me a comment on my YouTube channel. And ladies, please give me some love and make sure that you share my video with the mamas out there who lack motivation and need to work out, okay? Subscribe, share, and like. Right now, I need you to get your workout clothes on and let's go.
Be popping out to make your ass dropping all your shit. Yeah, I promise this, I got promises. You ain't stopping this, cross my shit. You'll be knocked unconscious, bitch. That's the consequence. I got this, I will not quit. And I'm on it, honest. I'm gonna launch quick, and I'm gone. It's just a matter of time before I'm over the climb and moving under my prime. Just quit my 9 to 5. I'm rocking, they watching, cause it's shocking. Dropping all these top 10s. I'm so stopping, it's time to live my life. And I'm on it, honest. I'm gonna launch quick. And I'm gone, it's just a matter of time before I'm over the climb and moving under my prime. Just quit my 9 to 5. I'm rocking, they watching, cause it's shocking. Dropping all these top 10s. I'm so stopping, it's time to live my life. It's time to live and die. Wish I could slow down time and just enjoy the ride. Let's go. Yeah, I'm the one to get it, bro. I swear to God, I'll get it, bro. Hey, I ain't never giving up. Yeah, I never give up. I got this, and I got it. I will work when I want it. Never rock it. Got the block with the toxic. Getting logic, make them nauseous. Honest, can I stop this? Never cautious. Drop it, I'm the hardest. Not rock, bitch. Watch it. I'm the fucking king of rock, bitch. Drop it, shit, hot shit. I'm dropping. Deep down, I know I'm a fighter. Deep down, I know my desires. Everybody thinks that I'm just a liar. They don't know what I got inside ya. I'm the one to fight fire with fire. I'm the type who never lets me get tired. Mess with me and they never will find ya. Yeah, people tell me I won't get it. They don't know me cause I'm cold winning. Always in the night, got clothes in it. Always in my mind, don't know quitting. I'm gonna be the one that blows up in it. You gonna be the one that shows up missing. I'm gonna be the one that knows my mission. You gonna be the one with no ambition. I'ma make you take it all back. You ain't never gonna get me, man, I'm too fast. Call me the juice, that 40 on cash. Always look forward, don't never look back. I'm saying the truth, better listen to my best.